Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's class we will discuss what type of pencils we are using during the engineering drawing. Here one more question, so many students are asking what are the pencils we have to use in engineering drawing. We are using three types of pencils. One is HB pencil, the next pencil is H pencil, the another pencil is 2H pencil. H indicates hardness. Okay, so this hardness is getting more this side. Okay, and H means, as I told, it is hard, so 3H 4H pencils will be available. Okay, like that so many hardness pencils are available. Okay, H is little harder compared to 2H. Okay, so this will give the more, 2 will indicate the more hardness compared to H. 3H is more harder than 2H. Like that hardness is coming this side with this number. Okay, here HB B means softness. Okay, so this side if you are writing B, 2B, 3B, like that. B indicates softness. Okay, so here this is medium or middle we can write. Now in engineering drawing we are using these three pencils. Okay, here we are using these hard pencils for doing the thin lines. Always remember, with hard pencil we are getting thin lines and the color is also gray color. Okay, for these soft pencils we are getting the thicker line. Okay, thick lines, black color. Okay, here this is a medium. Okay, HB is a medium. So let us take these three pencils where we are using those three pencils, 2H, H and HB. HB pencil is using for doing the outlines. Here whatever main diagram is there, ellipse is a main diagram, it is the outline. And normal and tangent is also with main diagram. Okay, and whatever main diagram is there, it is called outline. All the outlines are with HB pencil. Okay, and this directrix as well as axis also with HB pencil. And here we are taking the thin lines, and vertical lines will also come like this. All these are thin lines. Okay, thin lines as I told with the 2H pencil. Okay, 2H pencil will give more thin lines compared to H pencil. Okay, these are the construction lines. Construction lines always with 2H. Main outlines should be with HB. These should be visible properly. Here three types of lines are there in any diagram. Outline, that is main diagram. Okay, and then construction lines. Okay, these lines are using for constructing this main diagram. And then dimensional line. For this diagram, take the second one. In it also all outer lines should be with HB. What are the outer lines in it? This circle should be visible, this curve should be visible, and this path, normal and tangent should be with HB pencil. And other construction lines, okay, these horizontal lines and the parts we did for the circle, those lines should be with 2H. We are calling those lines are construction lines. And for marking the diameter and this distance, okay, these are the extension lines with 2H only, and this dimensional line should be with H pencil. Okay, with H pencil. And here we have to mark the dimension, whatever this length. Okay, mark that length at the middle of the dimensional line. Keep the sharp arrows. Okay, this dimensional line with the H pencil. Okay, and here extension lines with 2H only. For writing the number here, we have to use the HB pencil. Okay. And here also these projector lines should be construction lines with 2H. And main given lines and required lines should be with HB pencil. And for marking the dimensions, this line should be with H. And for writing these numbers, we are using the HB pencil. So that you will get the idea of using these pencils. Whatever darker part is there in the diagram, that is outlines, should be with HB. Construction lines with very thin lines with 2H, and dimension line with H pencil. Okay, these are the different types of pencils we are using in engineering drawing.